The Remark Products Group at Graphic Inc. is pleased to provide you with the following product tour of Remark Office OMR. In 1991, Remark Office OMR was released as an alternative to traditional OMR Solutions and has been the leading Windows-based OMR software package ever since. Remark Office OMR currently has over 75,000 users in over 130 countries. The software allows you to use your forms and your hardware, giving you the ultimate flexibility in OMR software. The first step is to create and print your scannable forms for use with Remark Office OMR. This ability to create your own forms allows you to have control over the layout and content of your forms. By using plain paper and eliminating the need to outsource the printing process, Remark has saved customers thousands of dollars in form costs. The next step is to process these forms after they have been filled in by your respondents. Remark Office OMR does not require any specialized hardware to read these forms. You may choose to scan directly into Remark Office OMR or upload image files. Choosing one of these options will depend on the hardware you have available, which we will discuss in more detail later. You will then be able to collect and analyze your data based on a template you have created in Remark Office OMR. In our data center, tests can be graded, surveys tabulated, and results exported or analyzed using the built-in analytical tool, Remark QuickStats. Data and reports can be exported to a variety of formats, including PDF. Let's begin with our first step, which is form creation. Remark Office OMR allows users to create forms in any survey design software or word processor, such as Microsoft Word or Excel. This allows users to fully customize their forms and even include question text and answer options on the same page. The OMR bubbles and barcode fonts used to create these forms are downloaded with Remark Office OMR automatically. They are accessible just like any other font. It is important to always follow our recommended guidelines for best results and remember to test forms prior to distribution. We recommend that you take advantage of our free form review service, where the Remark team will provide you with ways to optimize your forms for scanning with Remark Office OMR. These forms can then be printed in-house, photocopied, or sent to your local printer. Printing your own forms allows users to create, edit, and duplicate as many copies as needed. There is no longer a need to purchase expensive pre-printed forms. Remark Office OMR is capable of collecting and analyzing data from a variety of different form types. These include, but are not limited to, the following. Tests and assessments can be graded based on an answer key that you provide. Weighting and benchmarks can be applied, and grade information can be analyzed or exported to a number of gradebook formats or student management systems. Course evaluations can be processed and the data exported and sorted based on class, section, professor, and any other identifier information that appears on the form. Community surveys can be mailed and distributed, filled out with varying writing instruments, and returned to be scanned with Remark Office OMR to quickly produce actionable data and improve your community. Schools have the ability to survey large numbers of students and teachers across entire districts and quickly process and analyze the data collected. Votes can be cast and instantly tabulated within Remark Office OMR. The ability to print text and answer options on the ballot itself allows voters to clearly see the different positions, candidates, and other categories that appear on the ballot. This eliminates any possible confusion when voting, producing the most reliable results. Daily or weekly attendance sheets can be created, including student rosters and teacher information, to streamline the process of taking attendance in primary and higher education classrooms. Attendance forms can help teachers to determine if students are exceeding the acceptable number of absences. These are just some of many different form types that you can use with Remark Office OMR. Remark Office OMR is capable of recognizing data from forms that are filled out with various writing instruments, such as pens, pencils, markers, and more. Forms can be crinkled or stained, and of varying page size, such as letter, legal, A4, landscape, postcards, and many others. As long as your scanner supports the page size, Remark Office OMR can read it. After you've created your form, you will need to scan in a blank copy with which you will create your template in the template editor. This is where you define the various areas of the form that you want the software to recognize and choose what type of data output you require when the filled-in forms are processed. These regions include OMR, barcode, OCR, and image regions. Barcodes are a great way to capture important information while saving space. Users may use one barcode that contains one or multiple pieces of information, such as form, page, and respondent identifiers. This feature is useful for processing multiple form types at one time without pre-sorting. In addition to the barcode functionality, Remark Office OMR also supports optical character recognition, which is often referred to in the Remark software as OCR. OCR is used to recognize machine-printed text. With this feature, you can pre-print information on your form, such as demographic details and other identifiers like student or class names. For multiple choice and other fill-in-the-bubble type questions, you will use an optical mark recognition region or an OMR region. OMR bubbles are the areas on a form the respondent fills in to correspond with their answer choice. On the course evaluation shown, these areas refer to ratings on the instructor, grading, and more. Finally, Remark Office OMR can also process image regions, which are areas of handwritten text. You can choose to generate image clips for each of these regions, set them as data entry fields, or set them up for qualitative coding. Please note that Remark Office OMR cannot read handwriting automatically. A great way to verify data or look up and replace recognized data is to use the database lookup feature. With database lookup, you can link a region within your form template to an external database file. As forms are processed, Remark Office OMR verifies the recognized piece of information and inserts any additional fields from the database that you wish to include within your Remark Office OMR dataset. Remark Office OMR does not require any special hardware to read your forms. You may process your forms in one of two ways, either with a regular image scanner via a Twain driver, or a multifunction printer to scan and create image files. You can then pull these images from wherever they are stored. After scanning or reading completed forms, the collected data will appear within a spreadsheet-style grid, referred to as the data center. An image viewer is provided to review the processed form on screen, while the graph viewer displays a graph of the data being processed. This graph indicates the frequency of each response chosen. The image viewer shows each processed form so that you never have to sift through the paper forms to correct exceptions. When image regions are set as data entry fields, they can be handled in two different ways, either by typing in the handwritten information or by using the speech recognition tool. This allows the user to speak the handwritten text for faster data entry. Remark Office OMR also makes it possible to add data on the fly when using an image region. In the template, you can set any image region to prompt you to fill the value before reading the forms. When this feature is turned on, Remark Office OMR will prompt you to enter the custom value you wish to assign. For example, when processing course evaluations, you may choose to use this feature to enter the instructor name. When prompted, you will type the instructor name once, and that value will be appended to each record that is scanned within the batch of forms. Users also have the option to save sections with handwriting as image clips. Reports can then be run compiling these images together. This feature is ideal for comment sections on surveys or evaluations. A variety of reports are available for test grading, including those listed below. For more details and information on test grading reports, please visit our website. Remark Office OMR provides a number of reports for survey analysis as well, including those listed below. For more details, including samples, please visit our website. Raw data that has been collected with Remark Office OMR can be exported to a variety of popular formats. These formats include, but are not limited to, Excel, Access, SPSS, CSV, and many more. Grade results can be exported to various gradebook formats, as well as student management systems. Thank you for your interest in the Remark Office OMR software. For more information, to download a free demo, or to schedule a live webinar, please visit remarksoftware.com.